First, would like to thank you for the opportunity to present our research at the ninth International Workshop for Advances in Culinary Production. Our research focuses on how green market can help to mitigate the waste of perishable products. This research has been conducted by the Value-Added Resource Group at UNICEF. In this chart are the names of the group members. Also, I would like to share that research is led by Professor Dr. Giancarlo Pereira. Concerning the concept of green marketing, revised studies show an evolution of the concept over time, from being a traditional market to become a strategy that affects the whole company. From the focus on a specific environmental problem to the consideration of global sustainability issues. Consider the need for discussion on how to avoid food waste and what approach to green market and analysis of retail practice to combat it can respond to numerous gaps in the literature on the subject. This study aims to answer the following research questions: how to reduce the food waste in the Brazilian retail sector in the light of a green market. The literature review was divided in food waste causes and green market strategies. The food waste causes was divided in office focus, the supply management, market uncertainty, the operation management. I would like to call your attention to the office focus, the awareness and diversification of products, the requirement of aesthetic or validity requirement of products, the supply management, deployment occur in the incorrect order released due to a problem's demand focus. And the literature uh, shows that the misapplication of supermarkets buying power can generate food waste. Food waste can be generated due to the market uncertainties and the problems in the operation management. This problem can occur in the problems in the production and transportation planning, the temperature control, or the supplying process. The green market literature review puts focus on the 4T's market mix strategy. Products should have good environment, performance, quality, convenience, and fair price. Pricing. Price is a good tool to cope with the food waste in the point of sales. The literature recommends to use attractive discount to sales risk of food waste. Place is a good place to address food waste through the supply chain. The literature recommends to prioritize the purchase of items produced in local and the literature is suggested to encourage customers and suppliers to use the internet. Finally, promotion. Promotion can influence positively in customer purchase intentions. Promotion can highlight environmental benefits, promote sustainable lifestyles. Promotion should be easy to remember and personalize the target audience or generate positive emotions. Be easy to understand or assertive. Present honest, transparent, and credible messages. This research design used a qualitative and exploratory approach. We used multiple case studies. Investigation was conducted in 6 supermarkets leaders Brazilian market. The interviews were realized with senior management responsible for actions to cope with food waste. Also, we realized documentary. The findings contribute for price use of digital technology to affect and price values at the point of sales, and focus on identifying customers allowed in sustainability. Next, product digital technology to manage shelf life and identify more durable suppliers and products. Place layout approaching perishable products to cold areas, temperature and movement control, robotic technology for handling and presenting perishable products. Finally, promotion, comprehensive communication, use of technology for smart shelves, grant autonomy to store point manager for promotion actions focusing on food waste reductions. Conclusions. Green market strategies focusing on the reduction of food waste can contribute to reducing food waste in retail. We believe that the food waste in retail is the most abject waste that affects sustainability. Each food unit, regardless of whether it is green or conventional, thrown in the trash, carries scarce inputs used in its production: water, energy, fuels, soil. So it can be concluded that the following strategy focuses on food waste. To conclude this presentation, I would like to show our strategies of going market to cope with the food waste in retail perishable products. The first strategy consists in differentiation and targeting. This strategy puts attention to dynamic pricing, differentiated offers for customers sensitive to sustainability, specific sections for products with reduced set prices to attract those insensitive to sustainability issues. The second strategy call our attention for positioning more durable products, technology to manage shelf life, identify more durable suppliers and product, store layout, digital technology for temperature and movement control, use robotic technology for handling and presenting perishable products, grant autonomy to top sales managers, digital technology to support promotional actions, quick communications between stores and commercial area for promotional actions. Finally, segmentation puts our attention in influence the segment of the indifferent of sustainability. Focus on identify those sensitive to sustainability. Identify and plan promotion actions for the insensitive segment.